Objection handling. Of course, I didn't like it. I didn't like making the list and calling folks who weren't interested. And then if I did get them in a conversation, there were the objections. How about you? What objections are you hearing when you share with a prospect? Which of those are the hardest for you to counter with a good answer? Today, let's talk about a few of those, but please do help me complete the list with any I miss. Thank you for that. Hi, I'm Connie Suarez. I'm a network marketing mentor with a passion to help hardworking network marketers help their team cross stage. I struggled with that challenge until I was ready to quit. Fortunately, attraction marketing found me, and I share tips and tricks about it here with you. So let's talk about objection handling and how to handle objections proactively. First, the first objection is lack of interest. Some prospects may express a general lack of interest in the product or service you offer. They may not see the value or relevance. Wouldn't it be nice if we didn't have to deal with a lack of interest from our prospects? That is one of the aspects of attraction marketing that I really appreciate. Attraction marketing helps us create content that will attract the interest of those that share an interest in what we have to offer. That's the main thing with attraction marketing. We proactively do that by posting content that is related to what we offer. For instance, if you are offering financial services, then you can post content that gives people financial information that the average person in their group needs to hear, or better yet, wants more information because they already know they have the need. When you have posted information like that, a call to action is appropriate to ask somebody if they want more information about what you have to offer. You can tell them to direct message you or comment a keyword on your subject. Has this been of help to you? You might want to follow me, subscribe, and then ring the bell to get notifications of my posts. The next objection we may hear is about financial concerns. Many objections stem from financial considerations. Prospects may express concerns about the cost of joining you, of ongoing expenses that might exist, or the potential return on investment. If you are offering a product that has quality ingredients not found in its cheap look-alike at discount stores, you can post about the quality products along with your post on the benefits people are seeing. We keep hearing how important sharing benefits are, and often those benefits will override the concern for price. Next, we face skepticism, don't we? Skepticism is a prevalent objection in network marketing. Prospects may question the legitimacy of the business model, the claims made about the product or opportunity, or the overall credibility of the company. The answer that attraction marketing gives us in dealing with this objection is once again to be posting to people who have already accepted the legitimacy of the business model, the value of the products or service that you have to offer. If we offer herbal supplements, talk to people who buy herbal supplements. Be realistic. People who like getting prescriptions from their doctor and paid by insurance aren't likely prospects. When we post content with this in mind, we will attract folks who won't raise skeptical questions. Just curious, have I talked about the worst objection you have had to handle so far? Let me know. But I have several more. Objections to joining our team may involve time commitment. Some prospects may hesitate due to concerns about the time commitment required to build a successful network marketing business. They may have other responsibilities or commitments that they feel would be difficult to balance. The time commitment objection will be dealt with in one of two ways. First, we have to recognize that some people are never going to be willing to make that kind of a commitment. And so we want to be posting to people that have that interest. A good way to help someone who may be interested is to demonstrate in your daily content what is involved in using your attraction marketing to reach prospects. If you are showing them something that they can see themselves doing, then you have overcome that objection before you have the enrollment conversation. Often, we need to counter the fear of rejection. This objection often arises from past negative experiences. Prospects may worry about how they would handle rejection from potential customers or how they would navigate the sales process. You deal with the fear of rejection by posting up front the way you are building your business and how you are attracting people that want to say yes, rather than bugging people that have no interest. Once I became an attraction marketer, I celebrated on social media the fact that I never had to bug family and friends again. I shared how much my family loved that. Maybe we will need to deal with the objection of the lack of confidence or skills. Some prospects may doubt their own ability to succeed in network marketing. They may feel they lack the necessary skills or experience, or they may have had previous unsuccessful attempts in similar ventures. Most of us have dealt with a lack of confidence in our ability or skills. The best way, again, to anticipate these objections and answer them is in our content. In posts, we can talk about how it is working for us and how much we appreciate the way the model works for us. We can also share about how we are working through some of the things that are hard. We lead by example with our content posts. That, in turn, will motivate the right people to reach out to us and ask for more information, especially if we craft a good call to action. Finally, we need to answer in our posts misconceptions or misunderstandings. Objections can also arise from someone not understanding something about what we do. Prospects may have heard negative stereotypes or myths about the industry that influence their perception. I learned that misconceptions and misunderstandings create great content topics. I took a training that told us how to treat them as FAQs. He suggested making a list. Then, when I can't think of a topic, I pull out my FAQ list and voila, I have an idea for great content. And it deals with one or more objections that I then don't have to answer. We've talked about a lot of objections, haven't we? Which ones do you see the most? I really like to know. Or did I miss the one that gives you the most trouble? I want to know that as well. I hope this has been helpful. If this has been of help for you, I would love for you to check out the free resource that I have. I'm going to post the link for it in the description, and when you click on that, I'll get it to you. This is Connie Suarez. I'll be in touch.